Hi everyone, today we will be learning days of the week in German. Wochentage auf Deutsch. So German in German language is called Deutsch. Wochentage auf Deutsch. Before we learn the days, it is important to know that each and every noun in German has an article. Der, die or das. Die Woche. Die is a feminine article. Die Woche. Der, which is a masculine article. Der Tag. Der Tag. Die Tage. Die Tage. Tage means days. Days are plural. So whenever there is a plural word, it always has an article die. Die Tage and der Tag. So Monday is der Montag. Der Montag. Der Dienstag. Der Dienstag. Der Mittwoch. Der Mittwoch. Mittwoch literally means middle of the week. Der Mittwoch. Der Donnerstag. Der Donnerstag. Der Freitag. Der Freitag. Der Samstag. Der Samstag. Please note that the alphabet S in German produces a Z sound. So it is not called Samstag but Samstag with a Z sound. Samstag. Samstag. Similarly, der Sonntag. Der Sonntag. Not Sonntag, Sonntag. Der Sonntag. So, today you learned the days of the week in German. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon in the next chapter.